Here we are at our last winery on this trip along the old Pacific Highway just outside of Olympia, Washington. And we're going to go through the gates and down to this Old West wine tasting. Here we go down through the gates for Medicine Creek Winery. This place is pretty darn big, and it's all Western attire. Wait till you see what they got inside. They got a huge area out here for parties and just relaxing with your drinks. There's places over here underneath the trees to relax and enjoy. And over here is the large grassy parking area that we're parking at as Harvest hosts. And it's also, last week they had a huge car show, live music with live bands. And they had pizzas and food and a pretty big wing ding here, I was told. This weekend it's kind of quiet, which is fine with me. So we're going to go in and I'm going to show you the inside of this place. It's amazing. Here's just one section of the place. Lots of setting for events and such, and of course with the Old West theme they have the Medicine Creek stage line stagecoach. So let's wander through here and find the bar. Looks like they have a really nice wooden dance floor to use. Then you got a stage for live music. Very fancy old Western stained glass and such. Old popcorn machine. We'll go in here to the bar.
Seattle rocks with 102.5 KCOK.
Backgammon tables. An old Western bar. I was told that the bar was imported from England through an import company in New Orleans. That was pretty interesting. So it is authentic, right from England. They send it here in pieces and they put it back together, shined it up. So we have an actual Old West bar from England. Like many of them came over from England in the Old West, and ghost towns that I've visited before. So this is an unexpected pleasure. Well, I can only hope the lords of YouTube don't ding me because they were playing music when I was doing my video of the bar area. I figure, hey, radio's free reign. So anyway, they don't serve food here. The county won't let them, more government control. But I'm going to go back to the dogs, let them out, and fix something for an early dinner. So, this is a really neat place, close to home, and I never knew about it. So it's amazing. I'm finding more places that are close to home and I never knew about. So that's great. Okay, guys. Well, after this, we are heading home tomorrow. and then getting ready for possible campouts if the fires don't shut everything down. Okay?